Here's a 2017 Mazda CX-5. With the CX-5, it's all about connection to the road, to those around you, and to the adventures of the road ahead. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, front heated bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Car and Driver finds the CX-5 doesn't drive like any other existing compact SUV. It's more lively, more involving, more steeped in the sports car character that Mazda harps on about in its Zoom advertising. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.